Welcome back to Auto Insider. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Toyota Motorhome, a perfect blend of Toyota's renowned reliability and the freedom of the open road. At first glance, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome captivates with its modern and aerodynamic design. The sleek lines not only enhance its visual appeal but also improve fuel efficiency, a crucial factor for long journeys. Step inside and you're greeted by a spacious and thoughtfully designed interior. The open floor plan maximizes space, offering a comfortable living area equipped with premium materials and finishes. The fully equipped kitchen features state-of-the-art appliances, including a convection microwave, induction cooktop, and a full-size refrigerator. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a gourmet meal, this kitchen has you covered. When it's time to rest, the motorhome offers a luxurious sleeping area with a queen-sized bed, memory foam mattress, and ample storage. Plus, the convertible dinette provides additional sleeping space for guests. No need to sacrifice comfort. This motorhome includes a full bathroom with a spacious shower, modern fixtures, and even a washer-dryer combo for added convenience. Behind the wheel, drivers will appreciate the advanced cockpit featuring a digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment touchscreen with navigation, and a suite of driver assistance technologies to ensure a safe journey. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome is powered by a hybrid powertrain, combining a fuel-efficient gasoline engine with an electric motor. This setup not only reduces emissions, but also extends driving range, making it an eco-friendly choice for road trips. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to provide a smooth ride, even on rough terrains. With advanced stability control and adaptive cruise control, every drive feels effortless, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating winding mountain roads. A key highlight is the solar power system, allowing travelers to stay off-grid longer. The built-in lithium battery pack stores energy efficiently, reducing reliance on external power sources. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome starts at approximately $85,000, with higher-end trims featuring additional luxury upgrades like a premium sound system, heated floors, and advanced climate control. Toyota has truly redefined the motorhome experience with this model, offering the perfect combination of performance, comfort, and technology for adventure seekers. That's it for today's review. Stay tuned to Auto Insider for more in-depth car reviews and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Toyota Motorhome. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates on the best vehicles hitting the market.